Welcome to G's Cuisine. Today we are making Akra beans. Akra beans is made out of black eye beans. I got this from the African store. It's already peeled and it's eaten in most parts of Africa. I'll be using 1 pound of black eye beans, some salt, about half a tablespoon, 1 onion, 1 habanero pepper, and some oil for frying. Right here I have pure vegetable oil, but you can use any oil that you prefer. The next step is to soak your beans. Usually recommended to soak it for 1 hour. My beans is right here. I'm just gonna go ahead over to the sink and wash this out. So all we have to do at this point is just drain out the water and keep adding water until the beans is clean. So I like the peeled beans because it's easy to wash. As you can see, this is just one time of washing. You just want to keep adding your water and rinsing the beans out until it's completely clean. This is so easy to wash, guys. So we have the beans in the blender. Let's just put in a little bit of water and blend this baby up. Just close your blender. Let's work it out. So one tip, guys, you want it a little grainy, not too mushy, I guess. Ready? I'm just gonna pour this in my stand mixer. I'm gonna be using the stand mixer to shake the beans up. Our beans is all blended up and I just put it in my stand mixer. I'm gonna be using the stand mixer to mix the bean. You can go in and put in your salt. This moment, remember I said like half a tablespoon of salt. You want to close that mixer up and just put it on. Our mixer has been running for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna take the bowl up and take it close to my stove where I'm gonna be doing the frying. So this is how we cut this. I'm just using a regular tablespoon. You just wanna do that. The secret to this is to avoid your spoon from touching the oil. You don't want that because it's gonna shrink your beans, okay? Just put in the baby. So you're gonna keep putting this. So while you're adding the Akra beans, you wanna turn those that are already looking brown, like this one. You can go ahead and turn those. Just turn it up and let the other side cook. You want it golden brown. That is coming out good. Akra beans is so delicious. It's easy to make. This is a to-go snack, guys. You can eat this for breakfast. You can do it for lunch, dinner, or you choose to just snack on it all day. It works perfectly fine. So our Akra looks golden brown. Look at that color. It's charming. It looks brown but not burned. I'm just gonna take it off now and put it in my drain with paper towel to drain the excess oil out. Just take it out. Oh, that looks so good. It reminds me of the Akra beans I used to eat when I was a kid back home. So our Akra beans is all done. I am excited. It came out good. And I just served mine in a plate. I'm just gonna go ahead and have a taste of this goodness. I have it with some pepper sauce, but you can eat Akra beans with pap. You can eat it with beans. You can eat it with anything, in burger. Anyhow you want to eat Akra beans, it goes perfectly well. Let me just go ahead and taste this. I need some pepper. Ooh, this is yummy. Okay, you all, this is really good. It's delicious. Please try this at home. It doesn't take hours to do this. You can do it under 2 hours. Just try it at home with your loved ones. You have friends coming over, try it. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to G's Cuisine and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.